Have you ever imagined turning an ordinary broom into a tool that looks like it belongs in a professional workshop? That's exactly what this guy did! He cut a piece of a broom, attached it to an angle grinder, and created a simple tool that helps remove rust, old paint, and stubborn dirt in just seconds. It's a clever idea that can save both time and effort on many projects. But be careful! Any modification like this should only be used with proper safety precautions. Always wear safety glasses, gloves, and make sure everything is securely attached before turning the tool on. Now tell me, would you give this idea a try? Would you trust this fix? This guy grabbed a few zip ties and tried to solve a problem on a damaged metal structure. At first glance, it looks like a brilliant idea. But does it actually work, or is it just a creative hack? Ideas like this get people's attention because they use simple materials to tackle problems that seem difficult. Now it's your turn. Would you trust this solution, or would you do it differently? Let me know in the comments. A bricklayer revealed an amazing technique for securing roof tiles that caught everyone's attention. Using a simple yet clever trick, he demonstrated a method that became a hit on the job site. The result was strong, practical, and impressive, surprising even experienced construction workers. It's an ingenious idea that's definitely worth watching. This fisherman surprised everyone by putting a simple wall anchor on a fishing hook. At first, it looked like a pointless trick, but the result amazed everyone who watched. With this simple technique, he managed to tie the hook quickly, securely, and with a strong hold. The wall anchor made the knot easier to tighten, making the whole process more practical and reliable. It's a little-known fishing hack, but after seeing how well it worked, many people wanted to try it themselves. A simple yet creative idea that impressed a lot of anglers. Have you ever imagined that a simple bottle cap could help secure a bolt? It sounds unbelievable, but this trick is surprisingly clever. First, he drills a hole in the center of the cap and fits the nut inside. Then he places everything in position and tightens the bolt. The bottle cap works as a support, helping keep the parts aligned while making the job much easier. It's a simple, low-cost idea that makes you wonder why you never thought of it before. Would you actually try this trick?